What is the barber chair effect and how do you prevent it? Have you ever heard of the barber chair effect? It's a serious concern in the logging industry, and understanding it is key to staying safe. This phenomenon occurs when a tree trunk splits vertically as it falls. When this happens, the upper part of the tree can break away from the lower part in a sudden and dangerous manner. The force of the falling tree can exceed the strength of the trunk fibers, leading to this splitting. The result is that the top section of the tree can fall unpredictably from heights of 30 to 40 feet or more. This situation is particularly hazardous for loggers and arborists. The bottom of the split trunk can kick back violently toward the person cutting the tree. Imagine standing behind a horse that kicks. That's how dangerous this kickback can be. It can cause severe injuries or even death. Additionally, the heavy upper trunk section may fall flat, making its landing spot unpredictable. This increases the risk of being struck by the falling wood. So, how can you prevent the barber chair effect? First, proper cutting techniques are essential. Use safe tree felling methods that do not create conditions for the trunk to split. Avoid making cuts that weaken the tree's natural hinge or create stress points that encourage splitting. Next, avoid applying excessive force when using ropes or mechanical means to pull a tree over. If too much force is applied too quickly, it can cause the trunk to split instead of hinge properly. Assessing the tree's condition is also vital. Be cautious with trees that lean heavily forward or have internal defects. These trees are more likely to experience barber chairing. Only skilled and trained professionals should attempt to fell trees that show signs of potential splitting. In some controlled situations, experienced operators may intentionally induce a barber chair to direct the tree's fall. However, this requires precise control and is highly risky. Finally, always maintain a safe distance. Plan an escape route and keep clear of the tree's potential fall zone. This is especially important behind the tree, where kickback is most dangerous. In the context of logging, the barber chair effect highlights the unpredictable dangers workers face. It shows why logging is one of the most hazardous professions. Understanding and preventing this effect is critical for safety. Proper training, careful assessment, and adherence to safety protocols are essential to minimize risks.